Alright, so today we are doing a quick review of these two Adirondack, is that right? Adirondack chairs. These are your deck chairs, and obviously we're not out on our deck right now because it's winter time, and that's one of the features that I love about these chairs is look how well they fold up. So when you're not using it, you can put it in your shed or in your garage or bring it into your living room or wherever you want. But let me show you some of the cool features about this chair. So first I want to show you the cup holder folds underneath, which is really a cool feature. So you can put your cup in there, and then you notice how wide these armrests are. They're really big, and so as far as the comfort of just lounging, I really like that they're wide and they're super smooth. It's just a really comfortable chair. I'm a big guy, and this fits me really well. Now, as far as neck support, you see that even a tall person is still going to have some neck support if they lean back. And then let me just show you the chair. It is kind of hard to get out because it's so comfortable and it leans back. Each of the pieces come individually wrapped, so there is a little bit of assembly time. To do it by yourself, it's going to take you about an hour because you have to take them all out and screw them together. It's really easy to just follow the instructions and put it together, but it does take a little bit of time. When you fold it up, you see I can just pull it together like that, and it folds up really well. When you put it back down, you can catch the back there, and so you just have to make sure because it might like fold the back. So once you've done it once or twice, it's really easy to fold and unfold. These are just really heavy duty, which also means they're actually heavy in weight. So you probably don't want to move these around a ton because there are such big and heavy duty chairs, but they're super comfortable. They look great. They of course come in a bunch of different colors, which is really nice. Also, these chairs are made out of a composite material, so that's why it's so smooth and comfortable, and it's not going to splinter on you because it's not wood. They're just awesome chairs, so check them out.